Alright, so today's video gonna be installing the Haltech 2500 ECU with the jump harness. So that's the ECU, that's the harness, so let's get to it. Alright, first thing we're gonna do is disconnect our battery. So disconnect your battery so you don't have power to the ECU. Then find your ECU. In this case, there's a kick panel right here. So that's where the ECU for the R34 is. It's right on here on the passenger side. So now I gotta take off this 10 mil and pop it out. All right, so once you take that out, then you just remove the ECU, which was one bolt there, a nut there, and then we have another one down here. So what I'm gonna do is just take it out. That's it, and then we're gonna mount the other one. We're gonna figure out where we're gonna mount the other one. All right, next you take out the connector from the Haltech package, and then we're gonna hook this up to here, crimp it down, tighten it down, and then we're gonna connect from there. So we're gonna see where we're gonna put our ECU. All right, so that's connected. So now I'm gonna try to see if I can just place it where it was like this with the stock ECU, and then run the wire somewhere up here to the glove box. I'll mount it right in here somewhere. So I removed the glove box, and the way you do that, you have a bolt down here. I don't know if I've seen one there. You have a bolt there. Those two that hold the thing closed. That one, and then this one. So you gotta take those off to get here. And now we're gonna figure out where we're gonna mount the ECU. So let's see what's up. All right, so what I'm doing, I'm removing the glove box part of the casing. You have to remove these tensioner back here, and it just clips on like that. And then you have two clips down here. They look like this, so you just turn them up and slide them out. All right, so what I did, I marked the ECU where everything's gonna run into. So that's where it's gonna be mounted, right there. So let's do it. All right, and that's how it looks like. Everything closes pretty well. And that's how it's gonna work now. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Peace.